personal interview. Nagtatanong rin natin ang personal interview kay Sir Buloy. So, ang personal interview is face-to-face. So, that's are the steps in survey. So, syempre, while surveys are effective, they come with some limitations. So, these are the challenges and limitations. First one is we have the appropriateness of the method. Second is the accuracy. Third one is the generalizability. So, the fourth one is administrative constraints. The fifth one is the ethical and political issues. So, itakal muna natin ang first one. So, the appropriateness of the method. Siyempre, sa appropriateness of the method, yan lang naman naglalabas kung tama ba talaga yung ginagamit mong method sa research mo. Gian? So, the second one naman is the accuracy. Ito naman is pine-question kung gaano ka-accurate ang data na kinokollect mo. Are respondents providing truthful or reflective answers? Nandiyan yan sa accuracy. Tinatakil yan dapat ng surveys. Kaya siya very limited lang. Kaya ang survey po is not the best way. It is a way, pero not the best way para mag-collect ka ng data. So, ang So, syempre, meron tayong limitations naman sa observation. So, the first one is change in people's behavior when they know they are being observed. Syempre, yan, di ba sa A? Syempre, kung ikaw nga agilon i-observe ka, yan para sa agilon, big plastic na. Pakuman talaga siya, ito yung natural self niya, big plastic niya para sa observation. Gets nito? Okay. So, sa B is a snapshot view of a whole situation. Yan na ito yung garo ka na nag-arrive sa garo ito yung tig ano mo na si kabuuan na sitwasyon garo tig sararuan mo na lang siya. So, sa tig big brother naman, ano kaya sa hilingin ko dyan? Sa tig big brother. Anyone? Sa Think Big Brother. Wala? So, sa Think Big Brother naman is, this lack of transparency can lead to mistrust and ethical violations. So, hindi yun naman, dapat maging, ano ka, kumbaga Big Brother. Ano sa tuya ang mga Big Brother? Siya may mga kuya dyan. Ang sister ni Jenny. Example, di ba? Diyan siya. Tapos sa di naman, the researcher may miss something while they are watching and taking notes. Yan pala, sige ako surat kang nangyayari na duman sa reaction ngayon duman sa lab. Yan pala, nagtamis ko na sa kakasurat ko. Namis ko na pala si pag-explode niya kung gano'ng kahalangkaw si explosion, nagkamilis ko na dahil sige na akong surat, sige na, obsessed ko ang inod, sinurat ko yan. Tapos sa I naman, the researcher may make judgment, make valid statement, or misunderstand what has been observed. So, dyan naman is, dyan na po lumalabas yung pagkabias ng researcher. Dyan na po lumalabas dahil may preconceptions na sila that can influence their interpretation of observations. Yan na. Sa kagustuhan mo ngayong maging successful sa research mo, di mo na pala siya, di ka na pala truthful sa research mo. Para, ano mo na lang, para maging sa side mo or si result na gusto mong makuha ang mangyari. So, next one, dyan ako nagtatapos sa limitation. So, syempre, may strengths man din ang observation. So, strengths, i-discuss na po siya ni partner. Sa strength is si Juana.
So, good morning everyone. So, my lesson will be the continuation of the first quarter, which is left. So, for the strengths, it can offer flavor for what is happening, can give an insight into the bigger picture, can demonstrate subgroups, can be used to assist in the design of the rest of the research. Sometimes, the researchers become or needs to become a participant of survey. So, for the So let's take note that observation can sometimes obtain more reliable information about certain things. So for example, how people actually behave. It can also serve as a technique for verifying or nullifying information provided in face-to-face encounters. So people or environment can be observed. So yan lang yan. Let's just take note that observation can obtain more reliable information about certain things. So let's go with the techniques for collecting data through observation. So there are 4 techniques under observation. important details so we can remember them and write it into our so we can write it down in our data. So the limitation of written description are notes may be incomplete or subjective, and some events may be missed. So of course, since we are just taking notes through our observation, it may be subjective since we have our different preferences, right? So that's all in written description. Let's go with video recording.
watching, recording, taking behavior. So, in observation, ano nangyayari? You observe someone or a group of people in their natural environment or behavior. But then, diba nabanggit ng reporters na minsan, plastic naman ang mga ino-observe. But we have a term to describe that. What do you think? What is the term?
po. So, may bias sa observer and also bias can also happen to the people being observed. Okay po. So, what else? How do you observe? Di ba may writing, student documents, and video recording, documentation. So, ano kaya? Bakit kayo may video recording?
For example, po sa
Accurate? Mababalikan? True? Okay. Which do you think is better? Video recordings or written notes?
video recording. Kasi
Why?
Video recording mo din
You can? You can observe it, right?
pwede bang ma-recall mo po?
Pwede ma-recall? Wala bang may gusto sa written notes?
Kasi ma'am, pagpabilis mo nagsasalita ma'am.
Okay, pag mabilis yung ino-observe mo, ang tendency is to omit some
Important.
important happenings. Diba? Okay, so sa experience naman namin ulit, yan, sa observations, pwede mag-ride kami during the class schedule. Pero may ibang teachers na ayaw nakikita nagsusulat yung observer. So ang dapat lang is to remember talaga. Kasi bawal din ang phones. Okay, so sa Ateneo po, sa preschool and sa junior high, bawal ang phone sa loob ng classroom. So, yung mga observers like us have to really remember and take notes only if allowed. Okay po, so, ayan nga, ang tendency is to forget some events that happen during the class. So, yung mga important na nangyari or that may have caused a certain behavior can be forgotten. Okay po. And also, sabi nga natin kanina, in observations, we can tend or we can it happens that we interpret it. So, ang instructions po sa amin in sa pag-observe is to write notes as is. Okay po. So, kunwari, the class is noisy, that's what you have to write. You don't have to write, the class is noisy because probably the teacher failed to enforce classroom. So, you don't have to make assumptions. Okay po, so you have to write notes as is. Okay po. So, what's happening or what happened in that environment is what you should write in your observation. constructing our surveys by avoiding giving too much assumptions and judgments and observations, and sa experiment, paano natin maiiwasan ng bias? Paano maiiwasan ng bias sa experiment? Wag doctorin ang data, tama. Ano pa? How do you avoid bias in experiments? Okay, so ayusin din ang pag-gather ng data. And pag-interpret using statistical tools. Okay, in experiments, we are looking at we have independent and dependent variables. So with that, what are we looking for? The difference, significant difference. We are looking for answers, for results. So we are looking for diba? A change in the dependent variable affects a change in the independent variable, tama ba? Affects the dependent variable. So that means we have variables, we have a change. We have a cause and effect relationship. So in experiments, we have causation. So, ang main na nakikita natin sa experiments is causation. But another related term is correlation. Are you familiar with this one? Yes. Anong pagkakaiba? Or are they the same? Are they the same?
Yeah, the same.
Similar. Because the cause and effect. Okay, so for causation we have the cause and effect. In correlation, relationship. In experiments, diba nasabi natin, na-establish natin that in experiments, we have causation. In experiments, do we also have correlation?
Yes.
Do we have correlation? Yes or no? Who said yes? May correlation ba in experiments? Yes. So lahat nag-yes. Bakit? No na lang pala. No na lang. Bakit? Certain things don't happen in a relationship. brother. Diba yung third? Think big brother. Ano na alala nyo? PBB. PBB. Okay. So, diba sa PBB, ano nangyayari? Nag-observe. Ano nangyayari? Sa PBB, ano nangyayari? May video. Ano pa? Observation. Mag-interview. Try na teach. Other points. Eviction. Diba? In the big brother, ano nangyayari? May fair decision. May fair decision.
May vote. Walang cellphone.
Walang cellphone, diba? Too much ang exposure nila to us, to the universe. Diba? Sa Big Brother, diba, na parang controversial siya, na parang unethical, na ang daming cameras, kasi sa, diba, may mga chismis na atin raw sa CR, but we have not yet confirmed that. Okay po. Ang point po ng third na limitation is that we have ethical considerations to uphold. Okay po, so dapat, di ba, kasali sa Bill of Rights natin is our right to privacy. Okay po, so sa Big Brother, minsan parang wala na silang privacy. Okay po. And then, yung mga galaw nila, possibly, may reasons to make the viewers like them. Diba? Para ma-save sila. Okay po. So, yan ang explanation ng Big Brother na isang limitation sa observation. Okay po. At this point, what questions do you have? None? Sige, mag-quiz na. Okay po.
Quiz time. Mechanics for the acidity.
Pero di ba may question na ako, may ako ng question. Ang simpag ko sa question na to, survey. Kaya ko na sa sarili ko, mag-proceed na ako mag-blindfold. Tapos si Seth, survey din si simpag niya, sinakuha niya. Sa duman sa question. Hindi may blindfold na din siya. Nag-aaral ka na kanto. Pero nagsha-shout ka mo. Survey! 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 Ang excessive na pagkurao po, di man applicable.
Alvin.
Dahil sa ka-Alvin. Please be mindful po sa ibang klase. Kaya po sa baba gano'n ako, gets? O halimbawa naman, survey ako, survey, tapos kami, survey. Pero si Sebastian, kaya,
Mayari, duwa lang kami magkaibanan. Sinda, tulong survey pa sana, duwang survey kami. Ang bibilangon lang, si Mas Dakula, hindi kami magkaibanan.
kung nagkinipanan ka mo limang survey,
Hindi, 5 points ka mo.
Maski man lang answer mo.
Kung pira ka mo members na magkakairibanan.
One question lang siya, guys. One time, big time.
Apat, kasi apat na groups. Apat may time. So, ganito lang naman din.
Ano yung terminal group nyo sa question na hawak?
May dalawa.
Diba, sabi niya gano'n, paano lang, pag mali si answer niya sa question, di ba mali, may makahanap ka ba pag pupuno? May
pagkatapos ng game, ipapakita nyo na para malaman kung sino yung mga pamag-speakers ko.
Kapag after na gagawin na, kasi dapat basta lang
Ano, okay na? Gets na? Clarified na? Okay, si Sam mga mayong blindfold kasi nabihan naman ka ng blindfold. Mga mayong blindfold. Taas ni kamot na ayos.
kadikit na light.
Ano t-shirt?
Dio, kung ano.
Sige na, mag-t-shirt ka.
Yung ano mo na yung jacket mo na.
May mga t-shirt.
Si May mga ano, ito na lang. Oh, si Saida mga mayo. Kaya guys.
Dapat batas ang kaya.
Darren, baka ikaw sa sarili mo ang nakakay. Sige.
Walang pa.
Walang pa.
Dad!
Okay, habang binabasa ang tanong, binigay na sa inyo, di ba yung tanong? Habang binabasa niyo, walang magsasalita ha.
Mabango?
Kadiri lang.
Mabango yan.
Lahat kami may copy ng ano. Detail pero ako
Oh, tapos na yung ba? Ang first na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ang ngayon, ito na kay Sebastian.
The activity.
Okay. We can say anything. Answer ko. Resign kami naman. Basta bahala tayo dyan
Ben, mapiring na.
Piringan mo na sila.
Buong part ka mo nga dito.
Hoy, wag na utang mo. Ay, makapilit tayo. Hindi na makapilit.
Why are you very nice? Mark, magpiring na. Wait.
Nakikita niyo, as you can see,
Red.
Hoy, iyong pala si Depot naman naka-blindfold na.
May mag-ikot mo na. Sa ikot mo na.
Ikot sa loob.
Ano yan?
Gitna na kayo! Data gathering! Data gathering!
The most common methods used in SLAC are experiment, observation. Pera ka mo.
Oh!
ご覧いただき、ありがとうございます。